Hi guys, I am Dan. Welcome to JavaScript tutorial. In this video you learn about arrays in JavaScript. Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. I will explain in a moment what that means. If you observe, I create an array. The syntax, you must open square brackets, and inside you have elements. Each element have comma between. I use quotes because this is a string element. If you want numeric element, just write a numeric element. If you want to choose another way, you must declare a string for each component. You have component 1, component 2, and so on. Component 3. And if you observe, you create many variables. But if you use arrays, you just create just one variable and you store all the values in one variable. And you don't need to create so many variables. Okay, now see the array syntax. First, let's see how you access an element. Components, and then square brackets, and then the element. I open console to see what I have, and I have the first means keyboard. Why keyboard appear here in console? Because array starts with 0. If you write 0, you have the first element. If you want the last element, just write 3 and you have the last element. Why 3? Because this is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Let's see console log components length. This is the length of the array, which is 4. And now, if you want to display the last element using length, this is a common mistake. Just write the component's length, okay, which is 4, but you don't have any elements on the position 4, and you must subtract 1 because the last element is on position 3, and if you make 4 minus 1 is 3 and you display the last element. Okay, another syntax very often used is to loop the array. Start with 0, component length, this is the condition, and then increment I. And now you can display in the console each component, but in square brackets, to access the element, just specify the I position 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I forgot to write console log, and now we have TV mouse. Mouse is the first one because TV it's here. It's from okay. TV is for the last element. If you want to display the index, you can concatenate I. Okay, and you display also the position in the array. Now let's create a multi-dimensional array. Numbers. First I create the array and then I fill the array on each line. Okay, and I put comma between lines. Okay, if you want to display this array, okay, I will loop the array numbers length, and now I must loop the columns. First I use the for to loop the lines, and now I must loop the columns, but you must be careful to change the index, which is j for each numbers. And then here you don't specify numbers length because you want the length of this line, which is 2, and you have I. Okay, and if you want to display on console, you must write numbers E and J because you have the position on the column and the position on the line. 0, 0 is 4. After that you have 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1 and so on. But you display the array in straight line. If you want to display like in this picture what I have here, you must create a variable string, and now you can concatenate on this string each number, and at the end of the line concatenate a new line. A new line is /n. Okay, and after that you must display on console the string. Okay, and you display the array. Also in JavaScript the lines must have different sizes. For example, let's say this one, okay, like this. Okay, because you specify here number size. On the first line the number size is 3. On the second line the numbers line is 4, the length, and then the length is 2. If you don't specify the length here, if you see, you take the length of the array, which is 3. Okay, I think this is all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.